Good morning, everyone. You are welcome to today's teaching. It has been a very busy time for me. That's why I've not come online, but I want to continue to attend. The next quality for work ethics is the next is quality. The next topic: how do you render quality services as an employee? Now, what is quality at work? Quality at work it is a service or task one completes successfully within the estimated time. So, for you to say you are somebody working in a firm or in a business and working with somebody, when you say you have delivered a quality time, you have done something that is of quality, is when you're able to deliver that thing in the estimated time. It doesn't matter how good that you have done is, with the end output satisfying the expectations of everyone involved, satisfying the expectations of your boss, the expectation of your colleagues, the expectation of the company, the expectation of those that are going to be the users, the end product users. Then you have said what? You have added quality to your work ethics. Then quality at work is the degree of excellence. Listen, the degree of excellence at which you were able to do your job. How much did you input? How much of excellence, how much of perfectness did you use in doing that work? That shows what? That's quality at work. Many of us, we don't give out quality. We don't give out quality. We don't give out our ready to give out our quality time. We don't need to give out our talent fully. We're not ready to give out ourselves fully. And that is why you see us running into definite challenges in our places of work. But I know after this teaching, our eyes will be open. Now, what are the importance of quality in work ethics? It ensures that works are done at the stipulated time. When you are somebody, when you are an employee, that is somebody who has work ethics, who has quality, who has been able to imbibe quality in himself or in herself, you must be somebody that will ensure that every work that is given to you is done in stipulated time. It ensures that the work is done well. When you are somebody of quality, when you're a staff of quality, when you're a manager of quality, you ensure that the works that have been done is delivered in a well manner, is delivered well, is done well. Then they thought the requirements of the job are met. There are requirements, there are certain things that were stipulated, there are certain things that were said that you should do. When they were putting out the work procedures, there were certain things that you were supposed to follow, the requirements of the job. Now you following the requirements so that you are someone of quality, not doing dancing around, not doing your own mind, not doing what is your own mind. Then it makes an employees or you to put much and more efforts to achieve a task. It makes you see yourself putting more efforts to do something, giving out your all, giving out your time, giving out everything that you have inside of you into that project. When you are somebody of quality, you will put all your efforts. So you see, that's why you hear someone say, I didn't sleep all through the night. I was trying to put on this thing. I have not slept for some days. I've been so busy doing one thing or the other to ensure that this work, yes, is a somebody of quality. Then deadlines are met. When you are somebody that is working with a deadline and ready to abide by the deadline, ready to keep up with the deadline, then you are somebody who is ready to have quality. How do you control quality of work as an employer? Now you, that is an employer or a manager, how do you control quality? You review industrial standards at point in time, the industrial standards that you have, and you now look at it and say, at this standard we are having, it has look as if it's shorting fall of what is supposed to be the necessary thing. Then you begin to review. We are somebody that is ready to review, ready to change things, make changes. The second is choose the most important measure. After measures, there are measures to put in place to achieve certain goal, but you go for the most important. You go for the one that will give the better result. That shows that you are somebody of what? Somebody of what? Of quality. A manager of quality. Then you set standard, detailed expectations. Not tell people this is what I want. Set it out. Make it open up. This is what I want. This is how I want it to go. This is how I want it to be. Then you become an employer, or you become a manager, you become a supervisor of somebody of standard, you become someone of quality. Because why? You have set out standard, and then you'll be able to control the quality of work that's been delivered in your firm as a manager. Then align process with outcome. when the processes of achieving your goals, when achieving that is aligned, bring the result, then align, ensure that they tally, ensure that there's no bypass of procedures. And the next is develop training materials. At point in time, ensure that your staffs are trained. Develop materials. Speak to them. This is what I want. This is what I want. Review, review, and documentation. Document data. Review after review. Make sure you are documenting your data. And I know God will help you.